Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 12th, 2023. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars. Well, those are no 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle because it has 28 and a 29 printed digits. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. Then we have a 4 stars puzzle. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one, the last one, is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And I've already solved today 3 regular puzzles. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. First one, number 6742. 6742. Before I start, I always count the printed digits as well. I've told you this one has 29 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzles has 25, 4 printed digits more than usual. And well, actually it should be a Sudoku with 0 stars, but we will see. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. And for 0 stars, yeah, need to be faster than 14, 13 or 12 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Okay, I cannot continue with the 2 now. Let me see. The 4 in this column. The 4 in the second column. So the third column. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. Here 4 in the last row. No 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Alright. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. Well, we have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the column next, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 3 missing numbers. In this row, those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 189, 189, 189, 189, and look, we have 8 and 9 in the third column, so no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number 3. Alright. Then. How about the number 8 in this row, 8 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for 8 should be there. Yeah. Thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Alright. How about 1, 6, 3. 6, 3. No. 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 5 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So 8, 9, and the 1. Need a 1 here. Okay. Then. Yeah. 3. Need a 7. Need a 6. Need a 1. Need a 5 here. Oh. Difficult. 5. No 5 here. 5. 8, 9, 5, and the 7. Need a 7 here. Then. Let me see. We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in the second column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3. Okay, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 9 here. Alright, 8 and 9. 7, 5, 6. 6 and 7. Okay, 6, 7, and the 2. 2 in this row. Third row. 2 in the second row. Sorry, 2 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 now in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 now in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, and look, we have 3 in the third row. No 3 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. Oh, no, 7. The 8. 9 is missing. Almost made a mistake. Alright, 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there, we see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there, we see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about the 2 then? Yeah, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. How about the 3 then? And all the 3s are used. Nope. We need a 3 here, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright. 695. 2, 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 6 and 8, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6, the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Well. Interesting. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing now. Okay, 7 and 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 3 stars because it has 29 printed digits. Too much. So it's not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars. Well, so 1 star or maybe a 0 stars. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.